If you want to set your status to away on Steam, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're stepping away from your computer, want to avoid distractions, or just want your friends to know you're not available right now, changing your Steam status is fast and simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam is open, look to the bottom right corner of the window and click Friends and Chat. This opens your friends list and chat panel where you can manage your online status and privacy options. After the Friends and Chat window appears, find your profile name at the top of the panel and click it. This is where Steam shows your current present status, such as online, away, invisible, or offline. By clicking your profile name, you'll open the status menu with all of the available options. From the list of status options, click away. As soon as you select it, your Steam status will immediately change to away. This tells your friends that you're currently inactive or away from your keyboard, but still signed into Steam. That's all there is to it. You've now set your status to away on Steam in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you want to step away for a bit without appearing fully offline, and it helps keep your availability status updated for friends and chat contacts. If you want to change it back later, just repeat the same steps. Open Friends and Chat, click your profile name, and choose another status like online or invisible. Steam makes it easy to switch whenever you need. I hope this video made the process simple and clear. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.